Well, you can't win it if you don't play, right? No matter how small a chance, there is always a chance if you have a ticket. And they are anticipating a very busy day here at the 7-Eleven in Hoboken with $500 million up for grabs tonight and $300 million more up for grabs tomorrow night. Well, they've got a lot of people putting their hat in the ring. Mega Millions and Powerball fever have once again hit the tri-state. The combined jackpots are almost $1 billion. The Mega Millions drawing is tonight, and that's got a prize total of $548 million with a cash option of $309 million. The Powerball drawing is tomorrow night, and that is $314 million right now. While the chances of winning are small, it is possible. Odds of winning both Mega Millions and Powerball is 175 quadrillion. In case you're wondering exactly what a quadrillion is, there are 15 zeros at the end there, and that's 75,000 trillion. So you have a better odds of being elected president or becoming an astronaut or being killed by an asteroid and a shark at the same time. However, we found people out hoping to beat the odds.
Wait and see what happens. It's a one in, whatever it is, 600 million shot to win the money.
Something like that, yes.
Yeah.
In the later on, it's going to be busy on that because nighttime, evening time is going to be busy on that.
There'll be a big rush tonight.
Yeah, big
Okay.
rush is tonight on that.
So if you missed tonight's drawing, you can always come into your local store here and use the ticket checker to make sure your numbers match up. Of course, as you guys saw earlier, we do have our ticket, and I'm not going to show you what my numbers are because I know you guys all probably have your tickets too. Again, the Mega Millions is tonight, and if you don't win tonight, well, there's always Powerball tomorrow night.